darlings, I just want to give you a quick video that you could look back on about making graphs through Google Sheets. So I just kind of figured this out today. So we're going to be learning together. And so the first thing you want to do is open Google Sheets, and then you can put a title here. And so I'm just going to call it birthdays. Whoop, that was not it. Right up here. And spelling is nice too. All right, and I'm just going to give you a simple sample of what you might have. So we have January, February, March, April, and you're going to have all the months, but I'm just giving you a sample here. And let's say you surveyed your class and 5 people have birthdays in January, 3 people in February, maybe 1 person in March, and 2 people in April, something like that. But make sure you use your class's numbers. At that point, what you want to do is you want to insert a chart. So you're going to go to Insert and come down to Charts. And it's going to make a chart, and it's probably not going to be the right kind of chart, and that's okay. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to take a look at what they have. And they call them some different names than we do. So this is what we would call a histogram. They call it a stepped area chart. We have this, which they call a stacked column chart. We're going to be calling that a percent bar graph. And then, of course, you have some pie graphs. So that's nice, some scatter plots. And the other type we're going to be using, we call it a box and whiskers. They call it a candlestick. All right. So there's a few to get you started. Make sure that you use the correct one that you're supposed to. And so for the birthday chart, we're going to be using the stepped area chart. So you can see that it makes a nice chart, and I can grab the corners and shrink them so that I can still see my data and move it around if I need to by clicking and dragging. And we're not going to do any stacking in this one. And notice they're talking about the cells. So the x-axis is along the bottom, and it is taking A1 to A4. So it's taking these right here. Whoa, uh-oh, that disappeared, didn't it? There we go. Hey, double click on the graph and you get it back. That's important, right? And so you click on Setup. Like I said, I'm learning too. And so you can see how they show that A1 to A4. So if it doesn't grab the correct ones, you can go back and change that. All right? And for the up and down, okay, it's grabbing B1 to B4. So here's B, 1 through 4. So it's grabbing these numbers for the y-axis. All right. As we go through the unit, we'll add some things to this, but this is just a great start. You're going to have all 12 months. How many students in your class have those months for their birthday? And you're making what we call a histogram, and they call a stepped area chart. So once again, you're going to fill in your data, insert the chart, and then use this to help edit it. And you can come back to this video anytime and help each other out as well. We're all learning this together. Have a great day.